Right. No, you're not in that one. Next one of you there. The Karma Chameleon. Right, so the Karma Chameleon papers need to come back.
There you go then.
Right. Because these are for the afterglow, the Karma Chameleon papers. And I will get the papers out for you.
This is going to be cosmic. This is going to be cosmic. We're going to get right, I swear to God. Me and Ellie have been practicing until late in the night. Yes? We're doing everything. Come on out.
Right, so who's gonna get started with it? And when we get to the people of the power, I expect you to be given it. We expect you to be given it. Right, systemically, you need to keep all of these because we will be using it over there. Can I help you, Are you okay?
Yeah, my camera's actually.
That's fine, that's fine. That's great. Okay.
Ellie's leaving this, aren't you, Ellie?
Well, yeah. It's on what I'm just giving you,
Are you doing it?
It's a bit less complicated, right? So who is going to be? Are you going to come on the front and guardian with the backwards?
Oh, okay, let's go.
Has everyone got it?
We're all good. We're all good. Come on, Ellie. Come on, Ellie.
Right, is everyone got it?
Yes, ladies. Give it to somebody audience.
Ellie. It's okay.
Come on, Ellie. Stop coming over.
Right. Where did you just start with it? Here we go. Welcome to the car crash.
Ready to go?
Yes, I'm ready to go.
Right, are you starting, man?
Start with it.
Would you answer?
I don't do that. Do you want to go over there?
Yeah, he does. Yeah, Mark's
Right, let's go. Right, so, yeah, good.
One.
So you're going with the news after two, right?
One, two, three. Whoops.
I was dreaming, in my dreaming, of an aspect bright and fair, and my sleeping, it was broken, but my dream, it lingered near, in the full shining valleys, where the pure air recognized, and my senses still open, I awakened to the cry. Let the people have the power to redeem the wonderful among me, the grace shower, grace the free. People have the power. People have the power. People have the power. People have the power. Believe it! Eventual aspects became suspect, and bending low was in the air. And the armies ceased advancing because the People have the power. 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 The power to rule. People have the power. From fools. People have the power. Rule. People have the power. Rule. Listen, I believe everything we read. People have the power. People have the power. People have the power. The power to dream, to rule, to wrestle the word from fools. But it's the greed, the people rule. But it's the greed, the people rule. We have the power. People have the power. We have the power. People have the So that's it. So you can see why I'm feeling a little bit nervous if I'm coming. Right, so we are having 12 o'clock. Listen, there's a drag king workshop in here this afternoon. We've also got the open mic in here this afternoon. And also we're back in here this all day. We're around Wellington Square, stuff in many places. Thank you for supporting Scotland Pride. If you want to hang around, you can join in our sing-along on the front and our little singing stroke. We're not allowed in march. We're proud of the front. Whoever sings the stroke.
Excuse me, Emma. Excuse me, I'm trying to get rid of my stuff because of...
People have the power to dream, to rule, to wrestle the word from fools. But it's the greed, the people rule. But it's the greed, the people rule. We have the power. People have the power. We have the power. People have the power. Lift up the tree. So that's it. So you can see why I've been a little bit nervous about that one.
Well sung, everyone.
I think